What you're looking at is the full scale model of the Trident power source. In the center is the ECM, electrostatic current modulator. It's designed to spin in the same direction each side, modulating plasma that will be created in the vacuum chamber. Again, we have our shapes of polarity, positive and negative, and this is an upscaled version of what I have in the craft. And I know it works, so I just had to back engineer from the craft to the power source to fully understand what I was doing. So, there you have it. The power source to a fully operational battle star. Just kidding. It's the Trident. Pretty cool, huh?